Hi, my name is BC Hoffman with Chef BC from DC Catering, and today I'm going to show you viewers how to make an alcoholic beverage using apple juice. So easy, so simple, right now here at Oldfield Liquor Room in Culver City, California. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking an apple. We're going to make a hollowed cup out of it. That's what I did at least. So I'm going to take 4 ounces of apple juice. Drop that right in. I've got ½ ounce of honey, ½ ounce of ginger syrup or ginger beer would work as well, ½ ounce of lemon juice. Bourbon, you choose your poison. 2 ounces, drop that in. And then lastly, we're gonna take about 4 sprigs of mint. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna just take off the tops, give it a little go round, drop it right in. Throw our ice in last. Place that right on top. Easy breezy, like I said. And then what I've done is I take an apple. I literally took a spoon to the inside, hollowed out the inside, and made apple cups. Just nice little presents that's beautiful and oh so nice. People will love it. Might pour out a little bit, but it's okay. Put the top back on, throw a little mint sprig right in the top of it. And there you have your apple juice cocktail.